Size: 7 to ½ inch. Length: x4 to ½ inch. Height: durable steel frame with superior chrome-plated finish. Designed for most United States motorcycle license plate. Easy installation with your motorcycle's existing license plate fasteners. Design patent No. D494519S, sold as each. Dress up your license plate to give your motorcycle an upgraded style with Grand General license plate frames. This frame is designed to fit most U.S. standard motorcycle plates. Installation is fast and easy. This is a great choice to customize your ride. Pair the license plate frames with Grand General's license plate fastener selections to create your own unique style. Top reviews from the United States. Good-looking chrome form. My bike. Don't know what other people are talking about when they say it doesn't fit correctly or that it's too thin and broke on them. Fit my 09th Street Glide no problem. Looks great, beautiful chrome. Been riding my big old vibrating bike and haven't had any issues.